What is up, tube? It's time again. My Monday, your Thursday. Let's get into this. What is up, tube, and welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today's Thursday. What is it, the 11th, I think? No, today's the 10th. Tomorrow's the 11th. Tomorrow's actually the anniversary of our barbershop, guys. We opened on 9/11 of 2009. So next week will be, tomorrow will actually be 11 years that we've been open. 11 years, can't believe that. Went by so fast. Last year for our 10-year anniversary, we had a big barbecue outside of our shop. I cooked for all my clients, made all kinds of food, invited all kinds of people over. It was really nice. It was for our 10-year anniversary. I don't do it every year, guys. It's, you know, it's too much, costs too much money. It's a lot of work. So I'll break it down into every 5 years. So the next one will be the 15 year. When I get 15 years, then we'll have another celebration outside. But you know, yesterday was my day off. I've been working 6 days a week since we opened back up. So yesterday was normally my day off is on Tuesday, Wednesday, but yesterday I had to work. I mean, the other day I had to work Tuesday. You guys saw the vlog. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday I did a demo for Braun's Barber College out in Pasadena. They have 3 locations out here in the LA Basin. They're a big barber school, barber college. So one of the instructors there, he's a subscriber of mine. His name's Sal. Shout out to Sal. Sal's a very, very good instructor. I could tell he's a very good instructor. And I you know what I liked about going to his school? I'm gonna tell you guys. Felt natural. Felt like I went over there and I was just giving my spill to all the students, letting them know what it is they need to do to get better, to get out there, to do what they're gonna do and to get out of school. I gave him my spill. Sal gave me a lot of he was picking my brain really good during the class. He was asking a lot of good questions that mean something to these kids, you know what I mean? And so my wife recorded the majority of it, guys. I invite you guys to check it out. I'm posting it up this morning. It's a really good video. It's a lot of good information on there, especially if you're starting off as a new barber. And you know, I love doing demos, man. I hope Sal invites me back again because, you know, I don't know. To me, I love doing stuff like that. And one of these days, that's one of my things. I need to be an instructor. I want to be an instructor somewhere. So, you know, someday in the future, I'm gonna have to make that happen. But as of for now, I just do these demos and just try to help out. Got to get back what was given to me once, you know. Try to teach what was taught to me, you know, and that feels good. Feels really good to go out and do that. But I'm headed to the shop right now. Get started on this day. I'm gonna try to record some haircuts for you. Looks like it's clearing up a little bit out here. It doesn't look as bad, but I don't know. We'll see. Today I'm not booked up like I was last Thursday. Last Thursday I was booked solid. Today I'm probably at 60% booked. So there's a lot of spots in between. So let's see if I can hit those 16 haircuts like I've been telling you guys. That's my number. That's the number I like to hit. See what we hit today. I'll count them out for you at the end of the day and let you know how many I did. All right. So let's get started on this day. Hope you guys are grinding. Hope you guys are up. Remember, guys, it's an early man's game. If you guys are still asleep right now, you're leaving money on the table. Have a good day, guys.
Cuidado.
6:30 p.m. Been pretty busy. I mean, I don't have that many appointments. This morning I had my front part of the day was loaded with appointments. I'm in right now 11 haircuts already, 11 cuts in, so it's not too bad of a day. It's not too bad. The boys are working right now. Raul's got the backside of his whole appointment is all backed up. I still got 3 more appointments coming in right now. So, but I took this chance to go to the bank right now and get some change for the weekend, because you know, we need to have 5s here at the shop. Always have to have 5s. There's always a necessity for 5s, because there's a lot of well, we charge $25, so most people give you 40, so it's $15 tip, $15 change you have to give them back. So we always running out of 5s, so that's 5s is the most that we always need. So I'm headed to the bank right now, get some change, come back, finish this day off strong. It's been an okay day. It's ugly day out here, guys. Ugly. It's just like a red sky. I know you guys probably seen it in the news how Southern California and Northern California, actually it's all of California is all like red and just clouds of smoke, fires everywhere right now. California is literally burning up. If you hear that, California is literally burning up by the forest. But it is what it is, guys. This is what we go to live here in this beautiful state. So going through it again. So I'm gonna go to the bank right now, get this change, come back, finish this day out strong, guys. I hope you guys are grinding. Look at this, guys. Fires are still raging up there. Look at all the ash. It's just ashing everywhere. It's like snowing ash. Look at the sky, the color of the sky. Orange skies right here today. Well, guys, that's it for today. This day is over. This Thursday. My haircut count was 12, so that's what I did. I did 12 today. It wasn't that good of a day, you know what I mean? Not that busy. But I mean by good of the day is that there's 3 barbers, two other barbers working, and you know, it depends on how hard they do, whether it's a good day or not a good day. You know, I had a good day, but they had okay days. You know, I mean, they need to be doing better. The problem is they don't have there's not a lot of walk-ins right now. Not a lot of walk-ins. It seems like it's slowing down again. So we just got to do our part. Like I tell them, they got to put out ads. I got to put out ads. We got to do our little video thing that we do to try to promote our shop, to get people in here so that they come down here and get haircuts. So we'll see what's up. They'll get through it. They'll get through it. We'll all get through it. Like I said, guys, 2020 is about survival. We got to get through this year, and everything will be okay. But that's it for today, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching. I did videotape one haircut, so there it is. So you guys saw it. It's a pretty good cut, no? What do you guys think? I think that's it, guys. Let me know if there's anything you guys want me to discuss. Let me know what's up. But with that being said, I'll see you guys mañana. I want to race home because there's NFL tonight. Raider Nation, baby. Can't wait till Sunday. That's when the real football starts. Yeah. Peace.